Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find routing number on TD Bank app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access the TD Bank mobile app on your mobile phone, and right over there simply go ahead and tap on this option of accounts on top, which will access this interface view accounts. All you have to do is afterwards enter your account's information and simply tap on this view account. Once you have done so, you will be able to access your account's information, including the account transfer that you have done so far. In the activity section, all you have to do is now simply tap on this option of summary beside, and then once you have done so, you will be able to access this option of information regarding all of the transaction. And here in this section you will find this option called direct deposit information. All you have to do is tap on this view. Here in this section you will be able to access your account information, including the routing number of yours. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.